Hi, in this video we'll tackle if the Eurite airdrop telegram is legit. So right here, the main feature of this airdrop is to promote this telegram bot where users can earn Eurite coins by completing various tasks such as social media boosts and referrals. So there are actually some scam indicators. Users are promoted or prompted to connect their crypto wallets to the bot, which poses a significant risk of losing funds. So the official Eurite website has issued warnings stating that they do not have any Telegram airdrops or channels, indicating that the bot is not affiliated with them. So while the Eurite is actually legit, the Telegram bot is not legit. So for the community feedback, many users and reviewers emphasize that airdrop exploits the trust in the legitimate Eurite cryptocurrency, which is listed in reputable exchanges like Binance. So it is actually strongly advised to avoid engaging with this bot or any class associated with it to protect your personal crypto assets. So now you know that crypto airdrop is not legit. Hope we helped.